Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Science 4, Summative Test Reviewer 1 for Term 1. These are the topics. Lesson 1, Science in Daily Life. It includes the science inventions. Lesson 2, Science Process Skills. Lesson 3, Scientists in different fields of science. Filipino inventions. Read the questions carefully. Choose the correct answer. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Who invented banana ketchup? A. Dr. Fe del Mundo. B. Gregorio Zara. C. Maria Ilagan Orosa. D. Ramon Barba. It's letter C. Maria Ilagan Orosa. What is the main ingredient of banana ketchup? A. Tomatoes. B. Potatoes. C. Bananas. D. Coconut. It's letter C. Bananas. Which Filipino invention made food preparation faster and easier? A. Printing press. B. Food processing machines. C. Karaoke machine. D. Video telephone. The answer is food processing machines. B. Who invented the food processing machines? A. Benjamin Almeida. B. Roberto del Rosario. C. Gregorio Zara. D. Arturo Alcaraz. It's A. Benjamin Almeida. Which invention is used for singing with recorded music? A. Radio. B. Television. C. Karaoke machine. D. Video telephone. The answer is karaoke machine C. Who invented the karaoke machine? A. Roberto del Rosario. B. Gregorio Zara. C. Ramon Barba. D. Eduardo San Juan. The answer is Roberto del Rosario A. Which Filipino invented the video telephone? A. Gregorio Zara. B. Benjamin Almeida. C. Fe del Mundo. D. Diosdado Banatao. It's Gregorio Zara, letter A. What invention allows people to see each other while talking? A. Telephone. B. Printing press. C. Video telephone. D. Food processing machine. It's letter C. Video telephone. Which invention is used to print books and newspapers? A. Printing press. B. Incubator. C. Karaoke machine. D. Microscope. It's A. Printing press. Who was credited with the invention of the world's first printing press? A. Eduardo Pisumbing. B. Johannes Gutenberg. C. Gregorio Zara. D. Roberto del Rosario. It's letter B. Johannes Gutenberg. Which invention helps premature babies survive? A. Printing press. B. Karaoke machine. C. Telephone. D. Incubator. The answer is D. Incubator. Who invented the improvised incubator? A. Dr. Fe del Mundo. B. Maria Rosa. C. Ramon Barba. D. Gregorio Zara. The answer is Dr. Fe del Mundo A. Which Filipino invented the single-chip graphics accelerator? A. Benjamin Almeida. B. Gregorio Zara. C. Diosdado Banatao. D. Roberto del Rosario. The answer is letter C. Diosdado Banatao. Which invention became important in computers and video games? A. Food processing machine. B. Single-chip graphics accelerator. C. Printing press. D. Banana ketchup. It's B. Single chip graphics accelerator. Which Filipino created was built a housing system? A. Benjamin Almeda, B. Gregorio Zara, C. Diosdado Banatao, D. Edgardo Vasquez. It's letter D. Edgardo Vasquez. Which invention that construct traditional homes for Filipino families? A. Food processing machine, B. Modular housing system, C. Printing press, D. Banana ketchup. The answer is B. Modular housing system. Which invention is used in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS technology? A. Module housing, B. Frequency hopping, C. Incubator, D. Food processor. It's letter B. Frequency hopping. Who invented an anti-cancer cream made from cashew extract to remove growing moles and warts? A. Gregorio Zara, B. Maria Ilagan Orosa, C. Benjamin Almeda, D. Rolando de la Cruz. It's Rolando de la Cruz, D. Who was credited with the invention of frequency hopping? A. Hedy Lamarr, B. Gregorio Zara, C. Roberto del Rosario, D. Benjamin Almeda. It's letter A. Hedy Lamarr. Who created the first Filipino version of fish sauce or patis? A. Gregorio Zara, B. Maria Ilagan Orosa, C. Rufina Salao, D. Rolando de la Cruz. It's Rufina Salao, C. Match the inventions with their inventors. You may also write your answers in your notebook. These are the choices. A. Banana ketchup, B. Food processing machines, C. Improvised incubator, D. Anti-cancer cream, E. Karaoke machine, F. Video telephone, G. Single chip graphics accelerator, H. Modular housing system, I. Printing press, J. Frequency hopping. These are the numbers 1 to 5. Let's check your answers. 1. Maria Ilagan Orosa invented banana ketchup. A. 2. Dr. Fe del Mundo invented improvised incubator. C. 3. Roberto del Rosario invented karaoke machine. E. 4. Benjamin Almeda invented food processing machines. B. 5. Rolando de la Cruz invented D. Anti-cancer cream. And for numbers 6 to 10, let's check your answers. 6. Hedy Lamarr, frequency hopping. J. 7. Gregorio Zara, video telephone. F. 8. Johannes Gutenberg, printing press. I. 9. Edgardo Vasquez, modular housing system. H. And number 10, Diosdado Banatao, single chip graphics accelerator. G. Science process skills. Identify the science process skills being described. Write your answer. Let's now check your answers. Number 1, using one's knowledge to make an intelligent guess about what will happen next. Predicting. 2, sharing ideas and information about things and ideas discovered in science. Communicating. 3, thinking or explaining what you observe using prior knowledge. Inferring. 4, grouping things together based on their similarities. Classifying. 5. Using standard units and measuring tools. Measuring. And number 6, use in gathering information using senses and tools. Observing. Jamie looked at a butterfly using a hand lens. She described its colorful wings and counted 6 legs. Which science process skill did she use? A. Predicting. B. Observing. C. Inferring. D. Communicating. Is observing. B. Hens place shells into groups according to their color and size. Which science process skill is Hans using? A. Measuring. B. Classifying. C. Predicting. D. Inferring. Is classifying. B. Sam used a thermometer and found that the water temperature was 38 degrees Celsius. Which science process skill did she demonstrate? A. Measuring. B. Observing. C. Predicting. D. Communicating. It's A. Measuring. Carlos saw dark clouds covering the sky. He said, it will probably rain this afternoon. Which science process skill is shown? A. Classifying. B. Inferring. C. Predicting. D. Measuring. Is letter C. Predicting. Jana noticed that the leaves of a plant were dry and turning brown. She concluded that the plant had not been watered for several days. Which science process skill did she use? A. Inferring. B. Measuring. C. Communicating. D. Classifying. It's A. Inferring. After conducting an experiment, the class presented the results using a graph and explained their findings to their classmates. Which science process skill did they demonstrate? A. Observing. B. Predicting. C. Communicating. D. Classifying. It's letter C. Communicating. During a science activity, Eman used a ruler to find that a leaf was 15 centimeters long. Which science process skill is being used? A. Observing. B. Inferring. C. Predicting. D. Measuring. It's letter D. Measuring. A science group separated different kinds of waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. Which science process skill did they use? A. Predicting. B. Classifying. C. Communicating. D. Inferring. It's B. Classifying. Maria used her senses to describe a rock as hard, rough, and gray. Which type of observation did she make? A. Quantitative observation. B. Qualitative observation. C. Prediction. D. Inference. The answer is B. Qualitative observation. Which observation is quantitative? A. The flower smells sweet. B. The water is cold. C. The bottle contains 500 ml of water. D. The cloth is soft. It's letter C. The bottle contains 500 ml of water. Identify the type of scientific communication being described. You may also write your answers in your notebook. These are the choices. A. Written and spoken words. B. Illustration. C. Tables and charts. D. Graph. E. Venn diagram. F. Physical model. G. Graphic organizers. Let's check your answers. Number 1. A label drawing is used to describe observations. B. Illustration. 2. Scientific information are communicated via journals, articles, or lectures. A. Written and spoken words. 3. It is helpful in recording and presenting data and observations. Tables and charts, letter C. 4. These are tools used to systematically present different data and how they relate to one another. It's graphic organizers, G. And for the last numbers, 5 to 7, let's check your answers. Number 5, it tells what information is given. D. Graph. 6. It shows how an object would look, function, or relate to an actual image. Physical model, F. And number 7, two overlapping circles used to compare the similarities and differences between objects or ideas. It's letter E, Venn diagram. Scientists in different fields of science. Guess the scientist. Using a picture or a statement, identify the scientist being described. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The correct answer is botanist. A botanist studies plants. The answer is oceanographer. An oceanographer studies oceans and seas. The answer is zoologist. Zoologist studies animals. The correct answer is meteorologist. A meteorologist studies the atmosphere and forecasts the weather. And the answer is biologist. A biologist studies all living things. The answer is astronomer. An astronomer studies heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. A scientist who studies interactions between living things and their environments. The correct answer is ecologist. A scientist who studies the structure and properties of matter. The answer is chemist. A scientist who studies on how energy and matter work. The answer is physicist. A scientist who studies the earth. The correct answer is geologist.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.